Let's cut that ribbon.
Let's make it official.
Here we go.
Yeah!
I'm Matt Bormann. I'm the CEO of Western Smokehouse Partners. I've been here for 4 years, kind of when it was originally just one location. That's when I joined up, and I've seen all this tremendous growth throughout the last 4 years.
Yeah, my name's Doug Hankus. I'm the Chief Product Officer and Project Manager for the Burlington, Iowa site. I've been with the company since 2004. Western Smokehouse Partners actually bought our family business and have been excited to be a part of the growth that we've seen over the last 4 years.
It's a combination of 3 family-owned businesses that have come together. The Westerns started Western Smokehouse in Greentop, Missouri. The Hankus family formed Thrushwood Farms Quality Meats in Galesburg, Illinois, and Brad Tarasky and family formed Prairie Sky Snacks in Springfield, Illinois. So we've joined forces to kind of build a more scaled, better-for-you protein snack manufacturer. And so this is kind of the next step here in Burlington, Iowa, where our customers continue to grow, continue to need more capacity. And so we want to do a very step change growth and build a nice plant to service our existing customers.
What we're producing here are the better-for-you snack sticks in the category. There's a lot of big company names that you see in a convenience store every day. Our primary customer base are the customers that are highlighting on things like low sugar, zero sugar, specialty meats, grass-fed beef, antibiotic-free pork, chicken, and turkey, and that's where the market is really growing. And I think that's one of the key pieces of the Burlington site, was to allow our customers to grow as their better-for-you, healthier products are brought out and spread out amongst consumers in the marketplace. And the big thing here for this facility is we've got a lot of plans for this site. We're very excited to be a part of Burlington. And for us, 55,000 or so pounds a day is what we're going to produce when this plant really gets rolling and we get a capacity. And we're excited to get this started here in May of 2023.
Yeah, so it really was opportunistic. It was a pleasant surprise, actually. It was a time where real estate was very tight, and this building came on the market. And so we went, I think it was day 3 on the market when we came and saw the building. We were moving very quickly because we needed the capacity. We needed an existing building that we could retrofit. And so it really wasn't a targeted search, but it's been such a pleasant surprise, being such a great community, and the kind of reaction we've gotten in the community is amazing.
Yeah, I think from our side, what it really came down to is we knew we're 50 minutes from one of our facilities in Galesburg, Illinois. So we knew there were contractors that service this side of Iowa. It really came through a lot of great references is what brought us to Carl Nelson. We'd asked an electrician in our Galesburg facility, if you were going to go over there, who would you use? And Carl Nelson came right away to the top. Frankly speaking, Matt and I created an idea. And then it was in that first meeting with Carl A. Nelson that we realized right away this was the right contractor for us. Their team saw the vision, Tim and Ryan and the team, and we just appreciate that way that partnership has blossomed into what this facility has become.
Yeah, when we met the team, we knew it wasn't a process where we were going to bid out a lot of people. We met them, we could tell what kind of great partners they were going to be, how excited they were about the project, as excited as we were. And then also having the home base right here, it was a no-brainer for us. And so after we met them, we decided we were going to run as fast as possible with Carl A. Nelson.
Yeah, exceeded expectations, frankly, is what I would say. And that's not just because we're standing here talking today. Every step of the way, they have had answers, they've had solutions, they've brought ideas, and that since they had manufactured all across North America facilities and created facilities and created unique solutions to each of those facilities, it was a big key for us. They had ideas of how we could improve this site on top of our ideas for opportunities, and having that food know-how was really important for us and the contractor.
Yes, to fully retrofit an almost 104,000 square foot building in 11 months, that's 2 months of design and 9 months of execution, no one really believed it could happen. I don't know if we really believed it could happen. We were just optimistic. But Carl Nelson said, we can get this done, we can hit this timeline, and they have. We are not short of our timeline, we are right where we wanted. From day 1, it was we're going to finish in May, and we're May 8th, we're launching a plant.
Yeah, I think from our perspective, it was actually something we were looking for. We've done multiple expansions in the last 4 years. And so we knew there was a checkbox set that we had. And when we would ask a question, it was very clear that Carl A. Nelson had an answer. And I think that was the key for us. And then what we wanted to be able to do was hands off from the day-to-day management, but involved to help make the right decisions for the company. And that's been enabled 100% here. And I think that was what was so critical for us. And it's part of the reason why we are so excited about the Burlington site. 100%. And I think that that's the key why this project is on time, on budget, and going to be happening and opening in a timeline we had to have as a company. And I think you can tell at the construction site level, you can tell every single person is on board. Safety is an absolute focus. Cleanliness is something I just can't tell you how much we appreciate. There's somebody always picking up after themselves. And as we've brought equipment companies through and they've seen other job sites and been a part of other projects, the number one thing that gets called out constantly is the engagement of the Carl A. Nelson team, the engagement of the team lever to make sure the site stays clean, and is obviously safety is paramount here. Give us a call because we can't say enough positives about it. The team will walk you through that design build process, and Carl A. Nelson is a company that absolutely delivers on the promises they gave.